Welcome to my page. In this video, I'll be showing you how to apply for content monetization better. Previously, I discussed how Facebook updated their monetization platform from separate in-stream ads, add-on reels, performance bonus to three-in-one program that is called content monetization better, and their advantage towards the new update. Once you meet their requirement, they are the one that will invite you to their program. Before, it was meeting 60,000 watch time and 5,000 followers, but these days it's strictly on invitation. All you need to do is to post original content, and once you meet their criteria, you will be given an invitation to join the program. So today I'll be showing you how to apply for content monetization program. So this is how it's being done. Then you go to your Google and go to your google.com, and when you go to your google.com, you type content monetization tool application for Facebook for creators. So this is what you do. You scroll down and you see content monetization better. So when you have content monetization better, you click, this is what you do. You click that you are interested in getting it. So they'll give you, they'll ask you to put your email address. This is what I want to do. I will just add my email address. Take an instance, I need to apply one of my page. All I need to do is to fill my email. I can say, okay, God, Godwini. Then this is what they asked me to do. They said I should put my URL page on this box. So what I will do is I'll go and check one of my page that I have not applied yet. Then I will scroll. I have many pages here. So let me just pick this. It's worldwide entertainment. So I need to apply. All I need to do is to copy the URL of worldwide entertainment and come to my, this is what I want. I want, I'm interested. I told them I'm interested in applying for content monetization better, which is the new updated monetization tool. So this is the URL. What I need to do, they are still asking other social media accounts. Take an instance, I still have other pages that I need to apply for monetization. All I still need to do is to put those accounts here, but since it's only one, because of this class, we just make use of the first one. What I'll do, I'll click let's do this. So you see what it shows here. Thank you for your interest in the Facebook content monetization better. So this is how you do it. Then you start posting original content. You start posting original content. Definitely they will give you the invitation. So this is how you apply for content monetization tool better. And this is the latest update on Facebook monetization. So if you have any question, you can just drop it on the comment section. I will gladly answer your question. Thanks for watching. See you in the other videos. Bye for now.